Listen carefully to the story. The title is The Hidden Key. One rainy morning, Adam was helping his father clean the garage. The floor was wet, and boxes were stacked everywhere. While moving an old box, Adam noticed something shiny under a pile of newspapers. It was a small golden key. What could this open? He wondered aloud. He searched the shelves, the toolboxes, and even the backyard shed, but nothing matched. Then, in the corner of the garage, Adam saw an old wooden chest. The key fit perfectly. He turned it slowly, and the lid creaked open. Inside were old photographs, yellow letters, and a silver pocket watch. Adam's father smiled warmly. "These belong to your grandfather," he said softly. Adam felt proud and happy. With the hidden key, he had discovered a piece of family history. That was the story, the hidden key. Now get ready to answer the questions on your worksheet.